During the audit of ABC Limited, which is a mid-sized manufacturing company, the engagement partner is responsible for directing and supervising the work of the engagement team. Engagement team here means article assistant. The team includes both experienced members and several new trainees. There are certain very high risk areas like say in case of revenue recognition and the inventory valuation. So in such case, how does an engagement partner basically, he will review, he will give a direction, supervision and review the work of the engagement team. What are the factors which will govern the aspect of like say direction, supervision, review of the engagement team members? So while the auditor who shall plan the nature, extent, timing of the direction, supervision, review of the engagement team members, the following factors should be considered by the auditor or the engagement partner. What are the factors? First of all, the size and complexity of the entity. What is the size and complexity of the entity must be considered. That is the first and the foremost thing actually here. The second one, so first thing you will consider the size and complexity of the entity. See, bigger the size, then more engagement team members you want. And you also will check the complexity. You will also examine the complexity. More complex means you will require experienced team members. Then you will also consider the area of audit. What is the area of audit actually? Even that also should be considered actually. The area of audit must be considered. That's the thing actually. What is the area of audit? Like, is it a complex area, new area? Then also the assessed risk of material misstatements. If the risk of material misstatement is very high, then in such case actually here you will, when the risk is very very high, then in such case soldiers, you will deploy more experienced team member, engagement team member. If the risk is very low, then you will deploy a less experienced engagement team member. That's the thing here. And also the capabilities and competence of the individual team members is also very much important. What is the capability and the competence of the individual team member? Even that also matters a lot actually here. So capabilities and competence of the engagement team member means what? If the engagement team member is very capable, competent, then I require only less supervision. Less supervision is required for him. But if he is new trainee, then more supervision is required, more direction is required. Okay, this the factors in relation to direction, supervision, review of the engagement.